Liam, who's this one from? Do you remember?
For me.
It's for you. Who's it from? Grandma Junie June. Oh, open the box.
Oh, I thought it was a box.
What in here?
Here, let me see if I can help you real quick. Here you go. Here, I got it open.
Let's look.
That one's for Cooper.
Here, this is Cuckoo's. Let's look in yours. Let's see what you got.
Look in that box.
Here you go, Cooper. Look.
Oh,
What is it, Liam?
Thomas the Train Hat. Put it on your head. Now you can really go all aboard.
Let's hear you. How do you say it? What do you say?
Can you
when
say
you're-
this?
What's the conductor yell?
Can you do the hand motion?
Aboard.
That's pretty cool, huh? You like that hat, don't you?
Yeah.
Yeah, Cooper. Did you see your elephant, Cooper?